Tuamshe.
Lero lero ni lero, lero lero ni lero, lero ale. Haya, beberusha kofia, beberusha. Beberusha. Zungusha, 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 zungusha. Ikibamba sana, wapi kelele ya ODM? Asemaye kesho ni Mungu. Haya, tuimbe hiyo, sikia. Ati nini? Haya, twende kofia juu, mikono juu. Simama kwa niaba ya mzee Raila Amolo Odinga. Simama kwa niaba ya mzee Raila, alikuwa anapenda kila mtu. Haya, twende. Itawezekana.
Leo ni leo. Inawezekana.
Itawezekana.
Leo ni leo.
Leo ni leo.
Inawezekana.
Inawezekana.
Leo ni leo.
Leo ni leo. Haya. DJ. Hapana nete mchanganyiko. Wapi kelele ya mzee Raila Amolo Odinga? Tunasema wale pia mumewachwa, mule hivi vipaji. Raila alikuwa anatupenda sisi wanamuziki na wanasanaa, pia mtupende. Ama nasema uongo? DJ.
Long live ODM, long live! Long live ODM, long live! Asanteni sana. Nimeacha. First of all, to the party leader, Dr. Oburu Oginga, party chair, deputy party leaders, everybody who's here today, I'm Jambo. They always do this to me. When I was sitting over there, I was overcome with a lot of emotion. Today is the 15th of November. The 15th of November is exactly 1 month since Baba left us. But when I was sitting there, and I really want to thank you, Chair, my party chair, and all the organizing committee of this event, except Jeanette, that for the first time you made me release some tears. Hizo machozi yametiririka is not one of pain. For the first time you have made me feel imeisha hapa leo. It's time for us to move on. You've given me peace today. So asanteni sana. Party leader, since Baba's passing, sir, we've been feeling we've not had a chance to rest. We've been feeling kama kuna watu wanatusukuma sana. Hata wewe party leader, we feel nobody's even allowing you to mourn the man you knew for 80 years. So we thought we needed time. But today we're seeing that coming together is actually better for us. Instead of us in our own corners, crying by ourselves there, mtu mwingine analia pale, mtu mwingine analia kule, this is better for us. Leo sina mengi ya kusema. Before I forget, niko sawa bana. Nataka kuchaja ndugu yangu mkubwa Raila Junior. Please Junior, usimame muone.
Na inawezekana.
Inawezekana. Leo ni leo. pia inawezekana.
Leader, there was something that I wanted to tell you. When it came to the matter of this broad-based government, the people of ODM entrusted one person with the management of that relationship. And that person was Baba Raila Amolo Odinga. That relationship is complicated. And therefore, we are looking and we are wondering, those that are taking it upon themselves to manage it now, are they capable of managing that relationship? I don't think that is a question for me to answer. That is a question for the people of ODM to answer. And party leader is why I'm requesting we need to go back to the people and have an NDC and see who the people want to pick to manage that same relationship. Kwa hiyo mengi na machache, asanteni.